right, so we have DEP permits in place, DOT permits in place, MTA inspector will be on site, and one more thing. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
So I see that 6th Avenue is coming up. I know we've been working on this forever. It's been like 6 months. What's been going on?
What hasn't been going on is the real question.
Okay.
So we excavated 6 months ago, we exposed the pipe, and we found out that the existing pipe was installed at 2.5 feet below roadway, and there was no other way to do it. There was a reason they installed it that way. And then DEP required the customer to assume responsibility. What happened from there? I mean, you would know more than me.
Yeah, so the customer had to assume responsibility, and they had to file a responsibility letter with the city county clerk's office, and that process took about 6 weeks to get approved. So once they got the approval and the letter was recorded in the county clerk's office, then we resubmitted to DP, and now they're trying to see if they could approve it.
It was the owner who didn't want to do the indemnification at first? That was the holdup?
At first they didn't want to do it, and then just the whole process with the county clerk took about 4 to 6 weeks to get approved.
The city was basically saying, your water main is going to be so shallow, we're concerned about future damage or freezing.
Yeah.
We're not taking any responsibility.
For anything.
For anything.
Yeah.
If you want your water main installed at this level, you're going to give us a letter telling us if anything happens in the future, you're holding us harmless and you're responsible.
Okay. So that was, but that sounded like, it's like
that's done.
Yeah, but that was like 4 months ago. So what's been happening since then?
So they have a 3 to 4 month project, which they just wrapped up. They were supposed to leave our plates there, leave the hole open. We arrived to again set the parking up, and we found our plates in the side of the road. They have backfilled and resurfaced the roadway. In addition to everything, they were nice enough to let us know that they left our water main leaking.
So it's been leaking the whole time?
For 6+ months, as long as we know.
That's so crazy.
Went back to the customer, explained, unfortunately, there's going to be a change on the job before it even started. Costly. I mean, he understands. This is not his first rodeo.
Okay.
He signed off on it, and we're about to go back. We're about to break ground, finally get this leak resolved. The only other caveat, MTA is requiring us to stay on site around the clock.
Yes.
They don't want us to leave until the job is completed. So we're going to have to send Dwight's crew. And if it takes 2-3 days, they're going to have to stay on site until everything's completed.
I'm Hanje from Harris Water Main and Sewer, and today we are here on 6th Avenue between West 14 and West 15 Avenue. We're doing a domestic and sprinkler replacement.
What's up, guys? We are back. The guys are still digging in Manhattan. They're doing some really hard work, and it is getting late, and I bet that they are exhausted. So we're gonna bring them a little something, bring up their spirits, and help them out. All right, let's go. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, man, thank you, man.
Of course. I have cream and sugar, it's just not right here. You don't have to spot the camera, man. You're good. Hey, Merry Christmas. I have cream and sugar too, just wait.
As you can see, we removed some of the 4-inch sprinkler service already right there. You know, there's a next valve over there. It's a rough job, but no job is too big that we can't handle it. No job is too small.
So tell us, you guys were digging all night, right?
Yeah, all night.
Hard. This is hard. What made this digging so difficult?
Because here, oh my God, this job separate the man from the boys. This is why you got to call Harris Water Main and Sewer, because we could get it done in your requested time frame. As you can see, we got a lot of stuff in the way. We got gas, electric, a whole bunch of stuff in the way. So we gotta dig this by hand. So right here we got the MTA subway. So we have to go back into the existing sleeve, which is right here, which brings us right in front of the building. Right now, that's the existing pipe that we're taking out. I just gotta cut it again, you know, and take it out. And then there we start our new pipe. Now complete on the sprinkler service. We still have the domestic service to go. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember, when you need a great service, call Harris Water Main and Sewer. No job is too big, no job is too small. We could get it done. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Remember to please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys.